Hello everyone, I'm Vaidehi Mishra, a senior resident fellow at the Jaldi Vertical at Vidhi. Today we are going to be talking about ODR or online dispute resolution. Recognizing that ODR has really taken the world by storm, an expert committee of the Niti Aayog, headed by retired Supreme Court Judge Justice A.K. Sikri, has come up with a policy plan to mainstream ODR in India. The Jaldi Vertical at Vidhi, in its capacity as the Administrative Secretariat, has assisted in the formulation of this document. In the series of videos, with this one being the first, we shall talk about how ODR can change the face of dispute resolution in India. So, what is online dispute resolution? In simple terms, ODR is the use of technology for the resolution of a dispute. In its bare bones way, we can think about it as ADR with another layer of technology. Now, what is ADR? ADR is arbitration, mediation, negotiation. In its really different variants, it can also include MedArb, which is like a combination of mediation and arbitration. It can include Lok Adalats, essentially ways of alternate dispute resolution to resolve disputes outside the traditional court system. Now, the layer of ODR here can take the form of video conferencing facilities, document management systems, which allows for sharing and processing evidence, scheduling tools, real-time transcription facilities. For instance, in its advanced stage, it can be even more complex, the tools that ODR can provide. This can use blockchain technology, machine learning, and intelligent decision support systems. One example is double-blind bidding, where parties can approach a platform to negotiate an economic dispute between them. Here, for instance, I am the aggrieved party. I put in a range of what is an acceptable damage for me, and the other side also puts in an range of what is an acceptable amount for them to give. The AI tool, on the basis of what we have now bid, determines what is an appropriate value that can benefit both of us, and both of us are not really aware of what the other person has done. So this really changes the way in which we think about power differentials in negotiations. In the eventuality that this dispute is not really resolved within the ranges that we have given, then we can really expand the range and then try the process again. In the event that this also fails, the same platform can maybe be used for e-mediation. So there is really a comprehensive system in which ODR can resolve disputes using technology. Why is ODR attractive to its consumers? There are really simple and obvious benefits that make ODR more attractive than both traditional courts and ADR too. Number one is that it's cost effective. It really limits travel costs, even large printing costs. The second is convenient and quick. It can happen at your own schedule. You can use asynchronous communication, which means that you don't really have to reply in real time. You can do it as per your own schedule. You can work across different time zones, which makes it convenient and quick. Third is its capacity for customization. Labor disputes, family disputes, consumer disputes all require a different set of skill sets, processes, and interests. And that customization is really possible with ODR because platforms can be created and processes can be really tweaked for the benefit of its parties. Fourth is that it has the capacity to neutralize bargaining powers and also really limit implicit biases that could otherwise be caused due to human judgment in adjudication, even in mediation. The fifth, and I think this is really the most important, is that it encourages dispute resolution. When disputes happen, very often there is just so much pain that is associated with the high cost of energy and resources that you have to put in to even attempt to resolve the dispute. And so individuals might choose to not even agitate their rights. Making all of this process easier and accessible allows them to even want to try and resolve that dispute and provide an impetus and encourage them to resolve disputes. And that really is one of the fundamental benefits to ODR.